Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already using your biometrics or your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to change your username, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and now you will see the username section right away. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be told that your automatically generated username can only be changed once. So make sure that you are careful while choosing your username. After entering your preferred username, tap on the Save New Username option and now your username will successfully be changed and updated onto your profile. And there you have it. That is how you can update or change your username on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.